Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm cooking saltfish and okra. I'm gonna add my saltfish to some water so it could cook out some of the salt out of it. And if you're a person that's sick with high blood pressure and you'd like to eat a piece of saltfish, you can cook it, even put it to soak the night before, and then the next day when you're ready to cook it, you can cook it once or twice so you can get out majority of the salt out of it. Does not mean that if you have high blood pressure I'd like to eat a piece of saltfish. You can put it to soak the night before, and then the next day when it's time for you to cook it, you cook it once or twice. Okay, so now that I've added my saltfish to my pot for it to cook, I am going to prepare my okra so I can cook it. I like to cook lots of okra. When I'm cooking, I have to cook a lot of okra when I'm cooking my saltfish and okra. So now I'm going to wash my okra and put it into my pot. Now that my saltfish has cooked and my okra has also cooked, I'm going to cook up my saltfish and my okra together. So I've added my onion to my pot, and I'm going to add my tomato. Next, some sweet pepper and some hot pepper. And allow this to cook a little. Good. So I'm going to add my saltfish to the pot. Now I'm going to add my okra. Next I'm going to add some black pepper. Add some black pepper and a tip of seasoning help to flavor it. Going to cover it and turn down the flame so it could cook a little. And this is thick. And this is a nice gravy that you can eat with your banana and a nice piece of yellow yam and some dumpling. Nice. That the okra has made. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.